Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to blur a background or an image. So with that being said, let's get ahead and create our file. Click on new and choose our preset from here. Now if you have any preset in your mind or custom preset for your project, you can just click on any of those and then change the values from here. Then you click on create and it will be created for you. Now after this page has opened, we click on file again and open, and now let's drag a picture. For example, this one looks good. Okay, now how can we blend the background behind this character? First of all, let's drag it in here and let's make kind of two copies to see the difference. So this one is the original, this one is the result. Now let's move it in here and then we zoom, and first of all we need to cut out the character from the background. So we click on this quick selection tool. We had already some videos about this tool and this one, so make sure to watch it. And yeah, now let's keep going with this tutorial with selecting this character. And just like that, we selected the hand, the sword, and just remove some extra edges like these, something like that. That looks kind of good for me. We don't need it to be so perfect, we just need some example for the tutorial. Now let's click on this one, this icon, and then click here and then click on cut. Now as you can see, the character has been cut from the picture, and now you can work on the picture itself without touching the character. Now what you gotta do is just go in here and click on this image once layer, and then click on filter and then blur and then Gaussian blur. From here you can add blur as you want. You can reduce it. There's other options of blur, as you can see from here. There's the average one, the blur option, the blur mode, the box blur, the lens blur, the motion blur, radial blur, and shape blur, smart blur, and also the surface blur. Each one has his own properties and its own blur effect, so make sure to go through them and choose your own perfect blur that will work with your project. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.